Read and say.
Hi, my friend. Nasrin and I are reporters for the English Club magazine. Would you mind answering some questions?
Sure, no problem. It's my pleasure.
Could you tell me your name and which class you are in?
I'm Shima. I'm in class 5.
How do you spend your leisure time, Shima?
Well, I like to walk in park. I also like to sing. My cousin lives in the UK. Sometimes I talk to her and her friends on the internet.
So, talking on the internet keeps you connected.
That's right.
Hello, can I ask you the same question?
My name is Biju and I'm in class 5 too. I love swimming. It keeps me fit. I also like painting. I'm not very good, but painting makes me happy.
What about reading? Do either of you like reading?
I do. I often read magazines in my free time. I like magazines about sports, especially football and cricket.
Oh, I like to read too. I love reading funny stories, especially stories of Nasiruddin Hoja. Do activity A from your textbook. If you want to read again, then click on the button.